Welcome to the info with me, OUKITEL K13 Pro, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So let's just first select the screen where you want to add the widget. For example, I'll go with the new one. And now just to add the widget, you should hold for a while your device screen, home screen, and tap to the widgets icon. After that, we can see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, here we can see that the Google Chrome has just 4 different types of the widgets. The clock, only 2 as the calendar. For example, we can see here that the calendar has just a month view and the schedule. So let's use the schedule. For example, just hold it and drag it to the home screen, for example, to that section. If you want to change the size of the widget, just hold it for a while, and after that change it by this way, so you can make it bigger or smaller. If you want to move this widget here between the screens, you can make it also by this way, or also we can create a new screen with the widgets. That's not a problem. And just to remove the widget, you should hold it and drag it here to this up section to remove icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.